Another malaka nyamka nasiale kontin barwani lingwa semeka Nuer online TV channel. Bana jome bana jalingen message bana lingani a message me be ka kɔaŋ shorale of course. Kɔaŋ shorale jaramdana cha kwan la deputy ka defense minister so go jeno ba message be nywa yakel jawdana cha lat Kenya be lat ye ka tognas ka kore be queen ye ka tog English so bi tong Nuer bi sholing yo ka kore ba rach ka tog English ko bi aja kule linga manan la roda. Jo chalat guasa me jenam dan la Deputy Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs James Kɔaŋ Shorale jalare wona national ne diala continent we ka South Sudan no de kan human right de kan a lot kan ngoten konen chagor international community no jenne ko de we South Sudan there we won yam ka da ta mat ka de South Sudan there la strong nation ke da la win bum bum Kɔaŋ Shorale rajono wa the mene me link kono me ci Kɔaŋ Shorale gwase me chelade wonene ka dol me chadol ka shankaro no la tege training me chalare which ka juba workshop me share ka kari ala de ni ka bane ci Kɔaŋ Shorale charwache wonene jeni en human right ki ngotin konen ka human right no wa ka ngot nene dialo de tegrande jagang kade na de ka par ci Kɔaŋ Shorale ci rajo mo ci jalat chala do ne changne men te korte kitin jene en gwa ko te ke ruleba ko ba ne din konti la ordinary people kine de kondong tel power ba ka gang kume jenna mo tetin ci Kɔaŋ Shorale chalat ba en wonene jene en human right jene right ko de tanda tekaran de ngajeno take a long ke take a power kan chungran to de ka dil gang ci Kɔaŋ Shorale ci mission mo ci jalat ando dana de na de ka gang ka je ci de ngai kone ano Kɔaŋ Shorale tin kone ci let kan wadi ngai kone kondial right but any information me mi chakula lade jere which ka juba ko Kɔaŋ Shorale ngai kondial no rami momi dong cha chikone lat golka en go chen wer cha kana nasir ko jaram dana jagrenial ke jaram danen nangna so lara jedi no de nuare de ke lara jedi no te ka human right mi de los kajan panden chicken human right chicken lose of course ngai kona so jen ko chen wer che ka chenga jek che ngai kona ano dong balaram mo bi message mi chena me be le top dio dang da rudan da jagay but banne jeling banne ka tadan en che jo mo che goro jeno ba jan nang je ko gor ko no bana linga tin kon lat ko rodien Kɔaŋ Shorale gwase me ka jodan en shenong gwad mi mo cha dol cha je doltin ko raken ka kwi cuŋni nentin kontin til jiwuj de ko larno ordinary citizen ki ordinary ki civilian ki ne ko la jiwuj ci Kɔaŋ Shorale cela do ne luangda ki power to ne ko de ko la de ni wo bine wuch bine gang ka bine ngot bine ka gor jenne chiang bine ting na bine di laniam won mi shale den jerbom machor janam dan la executive director ka jan ramdanan ku gat ku ka gang bare ka South Sudan chala no ngode ne to ngare ka South Sudan te garere ka gwada dana right Kɔaŋ Shorale tin chet kanere ko la civilian especially gat shish kan long dio je to ko na ngin mudi long kamandanan la ro gwasme ko wodi gwada dan me ko me to ka nasir ngai kon me dan shodalat we all know that right ene ko na sha target ke civilian me boko na ke chemically ka Kɔaŋ Shorale jara me dane ticket tin so na me mura Kɔaŋ Shorale no te ka ngot ke te ka chungde de los karami mo la ran which ke rami mo mi la civilian metal power ketel wang kala Kɔaŋ Shorale no ram mo de los ki de tigre de jagang gwade dan chike tingna tikena gang wala kan gang gwade boko natin ke chemical me nakanare we can answer so na menu de jen odi kan Kɔaŋ Shorale kan je respect ci Kɔaŋ Shorale gwase me cha jogono der gwano de rami mo me la ditch ki rami mo me te ka comedy der tingna der je dil gang they human right but they promote, you know. Kanyok bo michiran mich dwer chejelat bo de je dil thiay kamen jagadana chalat, you know. Chit ko mich national security ke any law enforcement bodies Michigan ngot ken chikan ka bai chikanun ko biga na bikan kanak chala do kan bade ke thiay ketin kon je kon let ken ke ka jom chalat gwase me wa kan mutun kondin tira ka sos da right kan lunga ku human right ano de tigrande jagang ano de rande je luka mila talk, you know. But tira ka sos dan la human right commission ler shi chikan ngot ken chikan ka gor, you know. Kalat ka jen go neba and let gur ken ngot ken but te ga tun wana sha gur ta yi da na ce ga to jaga na sa te mi chalat ka kwiden te ga mi shi tuong mi sha ling ke de kolaro ne ne nga mi shi te ci je resap gwa da mo murai na tino ka ta yi da ci ko je to jaga nasir mu kwa da ma char na kwaje le luka je ntama kan je kwara wona ka pot kang so na me ngode te karek Jacob Chol atem Ramola executive director ka community initiative support program chela do nene civil society group la bon civil society wa kan la ro kan ka do dande na de tegaje de shoran de ja kam kaje ko de na de ka pare which ka South Sudan one me a good step along which is civil society which kan ngaje no human right tetin so question no ngum shikan ne recon sharik shaja la do shikan ga kep ka jamone kan na ga da ne shanak gan wer kan nasir tin la civilian shi ma de ni ko de ni kan kulun yin ga jiwuch ta da na shana na ga je ke kem ko rewi kan nasir ngum shikan let ka je why me bit kan ga je telam let kan right now so question me der le tin ke de kon dial te kan ngai de long ano ngum bit kuma ka je en kume meraje gwasa me kume kirme yadit of course de mangai kona akwene ya jodan chalat gwasa mene ke jodan chalat de kɔaŋ shorale ko kɔaŋ shorale jel ramdan la kuer Deputy Defense Minister called for respect of human right. The Deputy Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs James kɔaŋ Shol has called on the people of South Sudan to respect human rights and international law as the country continues to work toward peace, unity, and building a strong nation. Speaking on Tuesday at the start of two-day training workshop for organized force, kɔaŋ Shorale, the former governor of Upper Nile, said that human rights are based on human dignity, life, and fairness. And kɔaŋ Shorale explained that even during fighting, there are rules that protect ordinary people and their home. Human rights are linked to our values as a people. These rights are about protecting life, respect, and equality. International law teaches us that even in war, there are limits and rules to protect civilians, Shol said. He added that the army and security forces should follow these rules and always protect the life and property of civilians in time of conflict. Deng Machor, executive director of Whole the Child, says South Sudan still face many problems in peace building, justice, and the protection of civilians, especially children. That this training help officers understand and apply human rights and international laws. It will guide them on how to protect people and support peace. Machor said. He noted that respecting human rights promote justice and accountability and make sure national security and law enforcement bodies work fairly. William Othon, the head of the Human Rights and Humanitarian Affairs Committee in the National Assembly, said that the country 2011 Constitution protects human rights. Our Constitution talks about human rights, fair trial, and justice. We have also set up bodies like the South Sudan Human Rights Commission to ensure these rights are respected, Othon said. Jacob Sholatem, Executive Director, the Community Initiative Support Program, said civil society group help people understand their right and speak out for justice and equality. This is a good step. Civil society and human rights group are working together to promote awareness and teach people about their rights both nationally and locally. And should say that. He added that the training help raise awareness, teach communities support legal reform and make sure South Sudan law match regional and international standard. Civil society organizations across the country continue to organize similar training sessions to teach citizens about their right and empower them to speak up and protect themselves. Kan Jose Chaling to Guasame Katin Kona Shala Kwang Shora Lake Tadan and Guija Geno de Malderton. But Kwang Chukon Hajano Tin Kona Chalat Kanweri, so New General Modaba, there's a lot of gap, Katin Latkenke, and Ongeke Kume, and Kuman among Ngeke Geno, they can mal, they can Jatuana, but in fact, Naikon no Telemishali mal. So they con Name, they con Ngajeno, Telemilla Roda Shirmai corner. And kuma kirmi yadit cia gorno take a malmedeben ko targetin keliwo bukan wer bukan ka use against their own brother jit kamanda ana yot ka kwang shora le ken panken Jordan bana nyoko mukwen kono gwaseme bana racha eno ka queen and tichop ke kindang wel kelte konte thiay rei wecha ka Nyirol County ka jaw chalat gwaseme beje kwen yaka to English. According to the information, the government of Jonglei State has officially commenced the integration of more than 11,000 SPLA IO officers that were defected. These officers who defected from Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition SPLA IO into the South Sudan People Defense Forces. The officers were received on Monday in Pulturuk, Nuer County, by a high level of delegation dispatched by Dr. Guy Cook, the governor of Unity State, the governor of Jonglei State, and the delegation was led by the Minister of Gender, Child and Social Welfare, Mr. William Chol, and included senior official from the Minister of Peace Advocacy and the Nuer County Administration. Speaking on Tuesday, Minister Kwal said the event as a turning point for peace and unity in Jonglei State. Today we stand united under one army, and you know, there are no longer two armies in South Sudan. We have only one national force. That's SPDF. The cantonment site in Pultrug is now officially recognized, and we commend Governor Dr. Guy Cook effort to promote peace within the Nuer community, Kwal said. And he added that more than a decade of internal conflict, South Sudan are tired of conflict and war and ready to embrace stability, ready to embrace peace in South Sudan. Salva Kiir Mayardit has made it clear that all forces, army group must be unified under the South Sudan People Defense Force. That is why these forces have joined it today, they say, to support lasting peace. Kwal say that. Kwal indicate that the defected unit comprises a full brigade from the SPLA IO Sector 3 Division 8 along with member of the opposition police and prison services. The people that were defected or the defected team is a full brigade, Brigade 1, and during the parade we counted around more than 7,000 soldiers, 7,000 forces. Though the commanding officer said the number exceeds 12,000, he said. Major General Peter Gatkik Tolshek, who led the defecting force, hailed the integration as a major step between national reconciliation and peace. This is a historic day for our forces joining the government. We are now fully aligned with the national peace agenda and stand behind the leadership of the commissioner and the governor of Jonglei, Dr. Guy Cook. Gatkik said that. He further disclosed that or more troops are expected, to join in the coming days. As of today, He said a total of 12,000 soldiers, 12,000 SPLA IO who defected have officially integrated into the SSPDF and confirmed. The large-scale integration in Nuer County is being viewed as a significant boost to peace building and reconciliation effort across Jonglei State and the wider Hapana region. Jowlin kon magwasa me ne diti ka ne de kona shitiai rai wishin winami ka tada na shalat ke je shikenti ay ka kuma marwai ke dakang machar shala kine dangwel kel shikatiai governor of Jonglei State official chikan jo mo chikan ladno shi SPLA IO shikatiai shiko kumedian. Of course, the SPLA IO rejected this claim, saying that there is no actually any evidence that show that the SPLA IO defected to SSPDF or any forces that have been said to be integrated into the SSPDF under Kirma Yadid. The SPLA IO stated clearly that these forces that were said to be defected to the SSPDF forces, in fact, this is provocation, misinformation, because even within those videos that most of you have to watch, there is no actually anyone wearing any uniform, SSPDF uniform. The picture and the video that the government forces shared were simply wearing normal clothes as the indication of Nuer army that were forced to video so that they can mislead the whole South Sudan people that the SPLA IO that are residing in Nuer County have defected. In fact, this is lied and misleading until we hear from the Nuer people who are in Nuer. This information should be treated as light and nothing more. This information comes from the SPLA IO commander, the spokesperson. Jo shaling jo mashallah no tin kon inshallah gwaseme eno take 11,000 teacher defect chukume SPLA IO shikala no ne me she talk and man chala no take 12,000 teacher rodian wo kume SPLA IO shika wo kume SSPDF ke chaga la deka jo me la de no de jeno jene ka she talk ja jo mo cha ja kwen de kon take me de kon link mi shit kana mo maybe kon kachin kon telat Carodian bana ngajeno en kume kirm yadit gore jalongo no kanete kon la dine SPLA IO kadi alde ka we re kume kade bat ka jo chalat kinirol wadne te ngwan ken thiay katara na chalat ko wani video ten content cha nyona ki turni riudian dial kenta to watene te motela jiwitin lo chene me ken wer wayame kanere konen kwala user kir kana je kwar no nyot ka je kuma South Sudan no china chi ka but in fact ram chi ka jo ran chalat ka jame ka chalat ka je ka lera mene so de konte ka ngai ko gorwe je longo no de na de ka tiat sire men dana ngai kone anu ne de altin te ka kuma da kuma char gor je no kan de ka tiai but ne de konen chi tiai sire melin yana me gwas mene waken kane de jamu ka yo ke ti cha tiat kuma kem yadi de no ken ba ko moy ka mech de men shaling no wa chi cha ka ko mech ngoda ba wa kwa je dad boni ene de kon la jang no ne de ti donc gen je no pel ken mech ko bi kan lo jok ka bu ko kuma SPLA IO but ka reality men chala de kuma SPLA IO lat ken no ne kan ne de la kon shi anen tele ga uniform ne tele ka SSPDF uniform riuden dial jel ken ka civilian so kuna da tiyaide ka chala do ka SPLA IO me ka SPLA IO dio de kan chute ka uniform ne ken anyok man chigan nyolat gwaseme kan civilian ne yo kan ka ko ba ka nen ka ture ke ka video ko dong ba ka mo ka yoro to yo ngado just moja rodun ka ngwane den ba turno ka yene ji kum shenok kwale use ne ka ko bete ka kon me ba jigan wana mo ji kum SPLA IO jigan ko la do na me chena bunang ka tele mo gwa me be nyodan wo me dong ba me sha to ba ja lat ke ngode bi men la tok be kenyrar ci jo ran chalat na me agenda andi ling katin kon lat ko rodien re which ka South Sudan and walle ani biata ka mal ban nyu je ka le rodien bye bye